For months, this was all speculation, and now it isn't. Insta360 has officially pulled back the curtain on the Insta360 X6 with a real teaser campaign, a confirmed launch date, and a wave of retail images that finally give us something concrete to work with. This matters because everything we thought we knew from leaks is now colliding with what the company itself is showing us, and some of it lines up while some of it raises even bigger questions. In this video, I'm breaking down the official reveal, what the new leaked images actually show, and the wild AI claims that could make this the biggest jump the X series has ever taken. And trust me, that AI section alone is worth sticking around for. Let's start with what's actually confirmed, because this part isn't a rumor anymore. Insta360 has locked in August 12th as the official launch date for the Insta360 X6, releasing it under the tagline, "Inspiration in every direction." They've also opened a pre-launch page with a giveaway attached, which is usually the clearest sign that a company is moving from teaser mode into full marketing push. That's likely why we're suddenly seeing a flood of promotional lifestyle shots online, showing the camera mounted on bike handlebars, held out on an invisible selfie stick, and used in various travel and outdoor settings. None of this tells us hardware specs yet, but it does tell us Insta360 is confident enough in this launch to start showing it off publicly. Now here's where things get genuinely interesting, because the hardware leaks are painting a pretty ambitious picture. Multiple reports point to Insta360 X6 supporting 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second, which would be a real jump over the X5 if it holds true. There's also talk of 2 custom Sony sensors reportedly marketed as 1-inch equivalent, similar to the approach DJI took with the Osmo 360, meaning it's less about raw physical sensor size and more about the effective imaging area captured during 360 shooting. Bigger sensors generally mean better light gathering, so if accurate, this could translate to a noticeable low light improvement. Battery life rumors are looking solid too, with reports suggesting around 140 minutes of recording at 8K 30 frames per second. And there's also chatter about hardware-level Dolby Vision alongside 10-bit color, which would be a meaningful upgrade to the HDR workflow if Insta360 actually ships it. But honestly, the specs aren't even the most interesting part of this story. According to leaker Igor Bogdanov, and backed by hints inside Insta360's own promotional footage, the Insta360 X6 might be built around an entirely new AI imaging pipeline. The camera is rumored to include a triple 4nm AI chipset, which would allow a huge amount of processing to happen directly on the camera instead of relying on your phone or a computer. There's also a rumored feature called PanoMind, which could automatically render your finished edit while the camera is simply sitting there charging, so by the time you pick it back up, much of the work is already done. And then there's talk of cloud editing, powered by Google's Gemini AI, though it's still unclear whether that means simple suggestions or full automated reframing and highlight generation. One more rumor worth mentioning before we wrap up, because it's less flashy but genuinely practical. Reports suggest the Insta360 X6 could include automatic license plate blurring, which would be a real time saver for anyone filming on roads or in busy public spaces. It's the kind of feature that doesn't make headlines, but ends up saving hours in post-production if it actually works well. With the launch just days away now, there honestly isn't much room left for new leaks to surface before we get the real answer. So, that's everything currently swirling around the Insta360 X6 ahead of its official reveal. Which rumored feature are you hoping actually makes it into the final version? The AI pipeline or the bigger sensors? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the full breakdown the moment this thing officially launches.